Yes, my new 1500 to, I think it's 4000 watt Ebike inverter. It's not an inverter. It's my new 2000 watt to 4000 watt 80 amp SABVOTON e-bike controller. Let's get it done. Oh, hello, baby. Look at that. Svmc7280. So that's 72 volts, 80 amps. Comes with some really nice, decent Anderson connectors. Yeah, I like them. On 10 AWG wire. It's probably for the light power. Oh, okay, so I can put lights on the bike with that. What else we got? Yeah, PC cable, USB to USB, an adapter for the hall sensors. Recent motor 7280M rated power, oh sorry, 2500 to 4000 watts at 80 amps, low voltage protection 40 volts. Doesn't say what the high voltage is. Feels good. Main negative, main positive, main phase wires, alarm, throttle, power assisted, I was going to say steering, it's not, it's pedal assisted power, speed limiter, you can set the speed limit to 15 miles an hour or 15 and a half or whatever it is in this country that's supposed to be limited to. What we've got here, power, ignition, that's set to stay on by the look of that. What's this one? That's for the LCD display. Now if you don't have a display and you leave that connected, this will just turn on straight away. And there's the hall sensors, which is what this connector's for here. So you put that on, that goes onto that, and then that converts it to a smaller hall sensor. There's no white, there's no white cable for the temperature. Low brake, so that's for the brakes. And then USB for the PC, to connect to the PC. So you stick that small end for the MQ-Con setting up, plug that into there, plug that PC into the PC, and off you go, you set it up, and away you go. I look forward to having a play with this. Yeah, until the next time, see you again soon. I just went to have a quick look, a very quick look. I'm not going to do these, but I'm going to take the end cap off so I can just have a quick little look inside, because I want to see how different this is compared to an original SABVOTON. It's loose already. Oh wow, it looks almost exactly the same. Can I zoom in? Oh yeah. So in fact, it's actually exactly the same, pretty much. I don't think they've changed anything. Wonder if the software's still the same. But there you go, quick little look inside. On the ones I've had in the past, there's been traces on those soldered on. Might be worth trying that. There we go. There you go, quick little look inside the new SABVOTON.